Right, hello guys. Today we've got my Suzuki GSXR 2009 750 and we're going to be changing the exhaust today. We've got a few end cans. Obviously we don't need the full system because this just comes off right here, and if we didn't want it hanging, we've also got a little joint on bit here where the exhaust can just pop out from. But today we're going to be seeing the sounds of all of these. This is supposed to be the loudest. These are still all going to be loud anyway. Obviously we won't be putting baffles in. Baffles will be coming straight out. Right, first up, we're going to have to take the bracket off here. Just need a spanner. You got Allen key. We're going to keep this bracket on because we're going to put the gold one on first. It's the same shape and that will just slip straight on. With these, the best way to get these off, if you get a screwdriver, stick it in here and then you're able to use both sides to pull it out. But I'll catch you when it's on the bike. Just like that, and then this should be able to pop away in a minute. Right, and just like that, this one just slips on. We're not going to worry about putting the bracket on yet because we've still got all the other two to try, but we're going to turn the bike on and see what it sounds like. Just yet, because it hasn't been started today, but at the end you get a bit warm. Bit of a problem with this one. This diameter here is the same size as this exhaust pipe here, so I've had to put the extension thingy on it, which will just go like that, but I'm not too happy with having that like that anyway. But we're just going to give it a go, see what it sounds like. I think I'm going to stick with the gold one because that sounds a lot louder than my other can here. This was the one we had on before. This will be the new one. We also changed this bracket because I did buy a nice gold one, so that would just go well with the new exhaust can on the end. Swap that over, and yeah. Right, what I'm going to do, because I can't have the exhaust can hanging there on its own, I'm going to start the bike up and just pop it up next to the exhaust. Right, there we have it guys, this is the one we're going to keep on the bike. That's all installed nicely. I did end up putting the new bracket on because it looks cleaner. Also got the Jubilee clamp on there. But I think this one just looks better than the others. Also, if anyone is interested in this exhaust, we can have a go, put that on your bike. I've also got this one available, and we've also got this one that was originally on the bike. But we've got lots of clamps, lots of new clamps, new bolts. Yeah, I've got lots of tools to sort your bike out, put everything on. I'll catch you on the next one.